I love to hear that you're interested in the show. Okay, let's talk about this a little bit more. What I gotta do right now is, let me get something in my stomach. I'm gonna make a quick lunch. I'm gonna call you back in about 10 minutes. Is that cool? Perfect, all right, talk soon. Hey guys, welcome to the office. And I know everybody's like, what goes on behind the scenes? Well, now you're getting a first-hand look because you know we are busy here, always busy with so many productions. The news cycle, it never stops, but we have to make sure that we stay fed. So I know a lot of you like to say, this guy's extra, his meals are probably extra. No, they're simple, but they're nutritional. So let me show you what they actually look like. And maybe you can make it at home too. Or I can make it for you. We'll see. You know, not to throw shade or anything, but like, people like to make fun of what I eat because I eat almost the same thing almost every single day, but because I'm a simple guy and I like nutritional things. So I'm actually making a Cobb salad. Y'all know what a Cobb salad is? Yeah, I mean, they call it a Cobb salad, but I do my own branding twist on it. And here's the thing, I top it off with eggs. And people are like, why are you eating eggs for lunch? First off, eggs are good for breakfast, eggs are good for lunch, eggs are also good for dinner, and they're nutritional. We're out here working for Carabana Body. Hello, stop. You gotta wait for that. But it's coming soon, I promise you that. Yeah, so my Cobb salad is simple, All I really try to do is prepare meals that take less than 10 minutes. First off, I don't got more than 10 minutes, and second off, I'm not the best cook, so keep it simple. So, I got my greens, store-bought greens, pre-made salad, and then just cut up all your veggies, you know? And then, like I said, you top it off with the eggs. And here's the thing. Sometimes I have this hard-boiled egg and people are like, okay, what are you doing with the egg? Well, it's for my salad, for my lunch, but it's also for my snack. You know what I'm saying? And you know, like when I like to put my eggs on my Cobb salad, typically people put it in the corner. I think that's basic. I like to add a bit of personality to my salad. Because days are good days, you know? So, I don't know.
What is that?
It's a smiley face. No, honestly, one of the reasons why I love eggs and why they kind of make me smile is because they're really helping me on my Carabana journey, my body journey. We're all on this body journey. Come on, be honest. You're on it too. But did you know that literally 2 eggs provides you like with 13 grams of protein? Plus they give you some vitamins like A, D, E. A day. It's been a day. Let me get some drizzle for this salad, okay? Yeah, no, and you can put any type of, I guess, drizzle, salad dressing, whatever you want to call it. I only do a bit of a drizzle. No, honestly, this looks good. If I wasn't in media, I think I'd be a chef. 5-star Michelin. I don't care if you don't think it's funny, I think it is. So, I'm gonna head back to the, oh shoot. Hello? Yeah, just heading back to the office. Got my lunch, took under 20 minutes, I'm here. Now we have a big interview on the Brandon Gones Show. Big. They don't even understand.